Rytec. Very fast, speedy door. And it has everything up there for it. It doesn't go like usual, it rolls up there. And then you have your emergency unlock. And open, stop, close. So yeah. And it does have a battery backup, I believe. So we'll go ahead and open it and watch how fast it goes. Already open. And then I will close it. Then it flashes yellow to let everyone know it's closing. Then it'll close. Then obviously when closing, it's not going to go as fast. So what I'll do is I'll run it back up, and then I will do a safety test. So open. Then I'll hit close. Then I'll do my finger in front of the little photo eyes. Closing. I just put my foot in front, and it just reverses back up. So that's pretty much it for today. I'll go ahead and close it. Flashes yellow. And this one is also on a timer. Okay. And then I also have the remote for it from overhead doors for the other door. And this one does the other door. And then the front one does this door. So we'll go ahead and open it, and that'll be it. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you all have a good day.